Here is a question from I. Rodolph, problem number 1.251. In this question it is given that a uniform cylinder of radius r and mass m can rotate freely about a stationary axis O. A thin cord of length L and mass m is wound on the cylinder in a single layer. Find the angular acceleration of the cylinder as a function of length x of the hanging part of the cord. The wound part of the cord is supposed to have center of gravity on the cylinder axis. So let's solve this question. First of all, this is the diagram of the cylinder and this is the hanging mass, and the hanging portion of the mass is x. Now total weight of the total weight of mass will be equal to mg. So mass per unit length will be mass weight per unit length will be equal to mg divided by L. Now from this diagram it is shown that the x portion of length is hanging from the cylinder. So weight of the hanging part, weight of the hanging part will be equal to mg divided by L into x. Now the moment of inertia of the mass equal to mr square. Moment of inertia I is equal to mr square. Now taking torque about O, it implies tau equal to I alpha. Tau is the torque, I equal to moment of inertia, and alpha is the angular acceleration. From this equation tau equal to I alpha, we can write, now torque is equal to force due to weight, that is equal to mgx divided by L into its corresponding radius. Force into radius is equal to torque, which is again equal to total moment of inertia of the system. Now moment of inertia for the cylinder is mr square divided by 2, and moment of inertia for the hanging mass is equal to small m r square, and it is multiplied by alpha for finding the torque. Now from this equation we can take r square as common, and so our equation will be m divided by 2 plus small m into r square multiplied by alpha. So from this equation this r and square of this r will cancel out. So after cancellation we can write mg x divided by L will be equal to m plus 2m divided by 2 into alpha. So from this equation, if we want to find the value of alpha, then value of alpha will be equal to 2mgx divided by r into capital M plus 2 times small m. So this is our required value of angular acceleration as a function of distance. So the value of angular acceleration as a function of function of distance will be equal to alpha equal to 2 mg x divided by r times capital M plus 2 times small m. So this is our required expression for finding the value of angular acceleration with hanging portion of the hanging length of the mass.